Now you will see 5 steps to make money with YouTube Shorts even as a complete beginner. These are the exact steps that I will use to earn $5 a day, $50 a day, and eventually $500 a day with YouTube Shorts. So just follow along and start making money using the same steps that I use. If you don't know me before, I'm Robert YouTube from Finland, the founder of a popular YouTube channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day to make money online worldwide. And on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, and in my program that goes with the same name, I help you every single day to make money on YouTube. And today we will focus on how to make money with YouTube Shorts, and I will reveal to you behind the scenes my YouTube Shorts strategy that you can also use. Everything starts by having a template, and I have prepared for you a free template that you can use. You don't need to pay me anything. I give this simply as a free gift for watching my video. I will leave you a link in the description where you can grab it immediately. Let me walk you through what are the different elements of this YouTube Shorts template. First, I have an original video. I will put there a link for the original video, so then I can copy paste the tags and the keywords from the description in order to get more views. And here is our video structure. First one is intro, which is the most important one of all. Then we have the meat or the points of the video. Usually I have anything from 3 to 5 different, sometimes even 7 points in a video, something valuable for viewers. And then in the end, I have a call to action. That can be, for example, if you want to see more in detail, come immediately to my YouTube channel and you will see whatever they want to see. And of course, the ending here may be different. Maybe, for example, click the link in the description or go to specific website, and then you will earn money when your subscribers will click that link, right? So now let's create a YouTube Shorts together. I will show you through a real life example how I will plan and create a YouTube Shorts. First thing that I look for is a keyword, because I want to get ranked on YouTube search. When people are searching something right here, I want to show up there with my shorts. And there are 3 different ways how I find keywords. The first one is coming to my YouTube analytics, you can see right here. And then I take a look at the videos that are most viewed. You can take a look at top content right here on the right hand side, or also right here on the bottom. Then I get ideas from that what keywords my subscribers are looking for, and I target those same keywords with my YouTube Shorts as well. But of course, if you don't have yet published videos like I have, don't worry, then you can use the strategy number 2. You will come to other people's YouTube channel and you will take a look at their YouTube Shorts. So I will take an example from Anik Singal's YouTube channel. He's also creating videos about marketing, making money online, a little bit similar things that we talk on my main channel as well. So I can come here and I can click here for the most popular videos, and here I can take a look at what are the popular topics that made him most views. For example, laziest business you can start in 2022. I could put here, for example, laziest way to make money online, or laziest online business to start right now. Or here you can see 3 weird ways to make money on Fiverr. Aha, these are good ideas. Here also, if you are 16 years old, start the car retailing business. I could create, for example, a video here on my main channel. If you are 16 years old, this is how you will make money online. You can see right here he's targeting 16 years old with another video as well, so it seems to be getting a lot of views. And here he's targeting teenager as well. You can see the money rule I wish I knew as a teenager. Another time, the laziest business. So it seems that there are 2 things that we have already learned, 2 keywords: teenagers or 16 years old, and then also the laziest business. Let's look for the third one. So how to make specific amount of money. For example, how to make $3,000 a month, how to make $15,000 an hour. So how to make specific amount of money. And I actually applied the same principle. My latest video right here is how to make $100 a day online for free. And if you go to take a look at that YouTube short, there I actually give a proof how I make much more than $100 a day for 100% free. So that seems to be working perfectly. So those are 2 strategies for looking keywords. First, your own popular videos. Second, other people's popular videos. And then the third, YouTube search. Let's take for example make money online. We can take a look at what keywords other people are targeting. For example, 3 ways to make money online for beginners. I could type there 10 ways to make money online or 5 ways to make money online. Might be a perfect idea for YouTube Shorts. Here is online jobs you can do from your phone. Aha, seems perfect. I can create a video 5 online jobs you can do from your home. Here it says get paid $2,500 a week using Pinterest 10 minutes a day. I'm not specializing on Pinterest, but I could create for example a video how to get paid $5,000 a week using YouTube for free, because I'm an expert on YouTube topics. So this is how we can get ideas from other people, from YouTube search, from their YouTube channels, and then third also from your other videos if you have already published some. And now I will create a script for my YouTube Shorts in front of your eyes. But if you are enjoying this video so far, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this channel with all of your friends who want to make money online so they can also start receiving money from YouTube. I have chosen here a keyword. Let me show you how to make money on Bybit daily. And I obviously know a lot about this topic because I have now $81,000 here on Bybit and I earn money automatically every day on Bybit Earn right here. So this is a perfect video topic, and what we will do here, I will click here new Google Docs. You can now follow along and start making money using the same steps. And then what I will do, I will copy this title right here. Let's take this one, click here copy. Then we come back right here. I will click here paste. So now we have also the title for this document, and you can see it has created that one right here. Then I will choose all of here. I will copy from this template, and then I will choose here paste. So you can see now we have the template right here. First we are going to copy paste a link to the original video or a full video, so I can use the tags from that one. So I have found this one, how to make money on Bybit. I copy the link, you can see here copy, and I can paste it right here. So I remember that I can use the tags from this video. It's this one, how to make money on Bybit, and then I can use the tags right there. Next we are going to take a look at intro, and I want to provide something similar that I have already in the intro. So let me just use this one, how to make money on Bybit daily. I will say it in the intro, and then I will show something on my phone. So I will probably start by showing on my phone this Bybit wallet, and I will point out that the first way to make money is Bybit Earn, where I have currently $41,000. So I will type here in the notes Bybit earn money automatically. Then I have written right there hold Bitcoin, and then I may show some chart where they see how the Bitcoin price goes up year by year. Here is some example where you can see Bitcoin price going up year by year against US dollar. Then I have written down accumulate Bitcoin, and I will quickly show spot trading or trading bot. Notice that I need to show all of these things quickly because it's a maximum 60-second video. And then I will mention that people can make money also by copy pasting links, which is also known as affiliate marketing. So I will have plenty enough time to show all of these things in a 60-second video. Even if I would spend 10 seconds for each, that would be 40 seconds, and then let's say 5 seconds for the intro, 5 seconds for the outro, that would be 50 seconds in total. And now the call to action. What I can do here, there are a couple of alternatives. First option is that I can direct them to my YouTube channel to watch some full video where I show more in detail how to make money with all of these different methods. Or I can alternatively immediately give a call to action to go to Bybit website. This time I decided to add one thing. I added here the 5th way to make money, which is welcome bonuses, because new users can get up to $30,000 worth of welcome bonuses on Bybit. And then in the call to action I say, if you want to make money on Bybit, click the link in the pinned comment of this video and you can start immediately. So this will flow perfectly because the last point will be the welcome bonus, and then the call to action will be clicking the link in the description, so they will be able to see the welcome bonus right there. So this is how easy it is to create the video structure and the video script. Alright, now you have the title, now you have the whole structure for your video, you have the tags and the description from the original video, you have everything you need. The next step is simply to record the video, and the easiest is of course recording your face. But if you also want to record your screen, then you can use, for example, free screen recorders like X Recorder. I'm also using this myself. You can see they have more than 100 million downloads. And of course, for Apple, you can also find perfect and free screen recorders. So you can decide, do you want to show your face or do you just want to show your mobile phone? Or alternatively, you can also record your computer screen for free, for example using QuickTime if you are using Mac devices, or another option is ScreenPal, previously known as Screencast-O-Matic, or you can also use Camtasia, the screen recorder that I'm using right now. And then of course, if you don't want to use your phone camera, you can use whatever camera you have available. The next step is to upload, optimize and publish the video. So once you come to YouTube, you simply click right here, create, and then you click here, upload video. Then you will drag and drop your video file right there, and then you are ready to optimize. So remember to add the title. You can simply copy and paste it from your Google Documents, for example by clicking here copy, then come back to YouTube and then you can paste it right there. Add a description, put your keyword or related keywords a few times in the description. For example here, now you will learn step by step how to make $100 a day without investment. I earn much more than $100 a day without investment using the same method. I could also put here how to make $100 a day for free because that's the main keyword. So you can see I added here one sentence. Let me know if you want to make $100 a day online for free. Then I click here save. Then when we scroll down, I have also added some tags here. Here I could also add, for example, make $100 a day online, make $100 a day online for free, make money for free, and this kind of things. Then I also have this how to make money online without investment, so those are kind of related keywords. But YouTube has publicly stated that tags are not ultra important, and also if it comes to YouTube Shorts, many people don't even know that they can check out the description right there. So what is more important in YouTube Shorts is when you come here to comments and then this pinned comment right here, because this is what many people see. And if we come to take a look at this one, for example, I have a link to full tutorial, and let me show you right here. When we come to the analytics of this video, you will see that many people have come from these shorts to watch this full tutorial, and then they have followed the link in the description. So let me show you the proof. You can see here was the typical traffic, not many views, 1-2 views per hour. But let me show you here what happened when I published the short. You can see that the views doubled, tripled, or even quadrupled. You can see 8 or 7 views per hour, as you can see right there. And I also started receiving some subscribers. So now of course the last step is simply to monetize these videos. And I'm not only talking about this monetization right there. Of course you can click here monetization on, but YouTube ads are not going to generate you a lot of money. So there are much better ways. For example, I showed you here that I have a link to the full tutorial where I have then a link right here. Alternatively, I could already put this link right here on the comments, and when people click it on YouTube Shorts, then I start earning money. And one thing that many people don't know about is that you will earn money from YouTube Shorts not only when they display the ads, but also when people who have YouTube Premium like myself, we watch YouTube Shorts, then the creator earns money from that as well. And then of course when people come to your channel and they subscribe to you and they watch other videos, then you earn money through that way as well. So there are several ways how you will start earning money. Now, if you want to learn more on how to make money on YouTube, I invite you to join my program Tube Journey to Freedom, where I will show you from A to Z how you will start making money online and on YouTube like I am doing. And if you love making money with YouTube Shorts, I recommend that you take your finger and you come to watch this playlist next, where I show more in detail how to make money with YouTube Shorts.